calls. I am Hari, faculty at EduCET Academy. Past 1 week, we're getting a lot of calls, emails, inquiries, not only from the students but also from the parents regarding CUET examination 2023. So we thought, why don't we do a video about that? Today, we are going to present a PPT to clarify all your doubts. Are you ready? Watch it. Hi guys, let me start with a brief introduction about myself. I'm Hari, faculty at EduCET Academy. With all your requests here, I am going to start the presentation about CUET examination for clarifying your doubts and queries. So what is CUET? It's just Common University Entrance Test. Okay, let me give a brief history about the examination first. CUET, the Common University Entrance Test, early known as CUCET, Central Universities Common Entrance Test, is an all-India test being organized by National Testing Agency for admission to various undergraduate, integrated, postgraduate, diploma, certification courses and research programs in 45 central universities of India. It is also accepted by a number of other state universities and deemed universities in India. And altogether we can say it is a single examination that will enable the candidates to cover a wide outreach and be a part of admission process to various central universities. Okay, now I think you have some idea about the history of CUET examination. I stress upon the word central universities, right? Why central university? What are the advantages? Is there any added advantage over native universities or colleges? Is it possible to crack it by an ordinary citizen? About the job opportunities, fee structure, college, culture, many doubts will be there. Wait. I will give some examples as a single answer to all your chaos. St. Stephen's College, under University of Delhi, regarded as one of the oldest and most prestigious college for arts and science in India. Banaras Hindu University, located in Varanasi. Jawaharlal Nehru University, a major research university located in New Delhi, named after Jawaharlal Nehru, India's first Prime Minister. You all will be familiar with the above examples. What I'm here is to connect some famous personalities to this example. Let's start with St. Stephen's College notable alumni, Shashi Tharoor, an author, politician and a former international civil servant, D.Y. Chandrachud, current Chief Justice of India. Jawaharlal Nehru University's notable alumni like Nirmala Sitharaman, Ministry of Finance and Corporate Affairs of India since 2019, Amitabh Kant, S. Jaishankar, Sitaram Yechuri, and many more. And many other advantages like campus life, infrastructure, multi-center, eminent faculties. You will also get an opportunity to do internship in foreign universities, placement with industry collaboration, and less fee also. As Albert Einstein said, education is not all about learning of facts, but training the mind to think. Yes, here, in these famous universities, you will be trained to think wisely and act wisely. More than academics, here, and individuals are trained to face life. With more set examples, it's easier for a student to find out the real career. Now, I think your first doubt is clear, right? Okay, let me start the major chunk portion. As per this latest CUET updates 2022, the CUET entrance test will now be having 4 sections, which includes Section 1A, 13 languages, Section 1B, 20 languages, and Section 2, which includes 27 domain-specific subjects, and Section 3, which includes a general test. As I already mentioned, Section 1A, which includes 13 languages like English, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada and all, and Section 1B, which includes 20 languages like French, Spanish, German and all, and Section 2, which is 27 domain-specific subjects like accountancy, agriculture, geography and geology, history and all, and Section 3, which is a general test. It's a compulsory paper. Candidates can opt for a combination of at most 2 languages and 6 domain-specific subjects, or 3 languages and 5 domain-specific subjects, plus compulsory paper, that is general test from Section 3. Okay, I will elaborate. A candidate can take maximum of 9 tests in the following manner. That is, maximum of 2 languages from Section 1A and 1B taken together, and a maximum 6 domain subjects from Section 2 and a general test from Section 3. Or a maximum of 3 languages from section 1A and 1B taken together, and maximum of 5 domain subjects from section 2 and a general test from section 3. So the selection criteria is based on a dream college or university. It varies from each other. For example, if you want to do MSc Integrated or BSc Maths from Hyderabad University, you have to write Physics, Chemistry, Maths, Biology from domain subject, that is section 2, plus English is compulsory from section 1A. But the same course, if you opt from Banaras Hindu University, you only need to attempt Physics, Chemistry and Maths from domain subjects. English language is not compulsory, or you don't need to attend English language. But the same course again comes to Delhi University. You have to attempt Physics, Chemistry, Maths, marks are considered, and any language from section 1A or 1B which need to secure 30%. I think you got clarity about this subject selection. Let's discuss about the syllabus of the test. Section 1A and 1B, here the language to be tested to reading comprehension based on different types of passages, factual, literary, narrative and all. Literary aptitude and vocabulary will be tested. Grammar from all the topics tested on correcting grammatically incorrect statements, verbal ability, vocabulary and writings. And section 2, which consists of domain subjects. Syllabus is based on class 11th or 12th and intermediate syllabus of specific subjects. And section 3, which is a compulsory paper, general test. It consists of general knowledge, current affairs, general mental ability, numerical ability, quantitative reasoning and all. The pattern and duration when we discuss section 1A and 1B, 40 MCQs to be answered out of 50 in 45 minutes per subject. Not all together. You should consider that for every subject you will be allotted 45 minutes, in which 40 MCQs to be answered out of 50. And when we consider section 2, that is domain subjects, they also will be getting 45 minutes, in which 40 MCQs to be answered out of 50. But there's a change in section 3. That is, they'll be given 60 minutes, that is 1 hour, in which 60 MCQs to be answered out of 75. This is the universities in India, the ranking top 20 as per 2020, 21, 22 year. I think you got some clarity about the exam process, syllabus, pattern and all. The next biggest hurdle is how to crack this examination. Is it possible for an ordinary student? My answer will be a big yes, if you have the right guidance and determination. We, the EduSafe family, are with you throughout your journey to your dream college. Our vision is to go beyond leaps and bounds as an institution of par excellence in the arena of entrance coaching and to improve everything required for boosting and enlightening the endeavor of the students. Here, we have top-notch faculties with excellent experience in the teaching career. Why EduSafe Academy? Here is the answer. We offer personal mentorship according to the intellectual quotient level of each student, innovative and skill-based learning, research-driven programs, well-structured curriculum with regular mock tests, post discussions. We also have a beautiful reading room, and our classrooms are structured in an eco-friendly manner. We also have other programs like CUET, CLAT, CLE, GATE, and special coaching for 10, plus 1 and plus 2. And one more surprise is there for you. We are going to conduct a scholarship test for the students preparing for CUET examination 2023, and more details will be provided in the link given below. Thank you. Okay, now I think all your doubts are clear except one, how to start your studies. Don't worry, EduSafe family is with you to take you in the right direction. And one more surprise, we are providing a scholarship test for you. Details of the scholarship test will be provided in the description box. So prepare maximum and attend the scholarship test and grab your meritorious seat in our academy. Thank you.